have the opportunity to do this, and I hope I can say some things that might be meaningful to all of us. But it's not lost on me today that there are some very important people that we miss and that we love today. The fact that Stockton and Kirk and Logan and Kyle and Tyson and Maddie are not here today, but they are here today. And so we welcome not only all of you, but we welcome them on this great occasion.
It was fun to see as they started dating, Jessica and Chandler. She came home and she was telling me some of what she was feeling, and she said that when she was with Chandler, she just felt light and happiness, and that was a long time coming. She hadn't felt much of that the last 4 years, and so as a mom, I thought, okay, this is good. That's what we want for you too, and that's what we want for those 5 beautiful children. And I wanted to end with her dad's words. At Thanksgiving, he sent a message to our family, some words of counsel. He said, "I'm proud of you. I pray that you can always feel close and always treat each other with love and kindness. We need to be slow to judge and quick to forgive. Love, Dad."
They say with grief, you don't feel grief without love coming first. I just am so grateful today. Proud of Chandler, proud of Jessica. You've got a fun life ahead, and we're glad we get to be along for the ride.
There's so many parts of Jessica and my love story that we always talk about how we wish everyone could understand just all the little miracles along the way, but we really felt from everyone here that support and that love and that understanding with so many things that are hard to understand and process. And so we just really wanted to thank you all. Also ask you to be patient with us as we figure it out, because we want to do everything we can to give the 5 the best life possible. And we know that there are going to be some bumps along the way, but we're so excited.
Would you like to join hands? Jessica and Chandler, you've grown together and you love one another. You have agreed to move forward in life together. Do you, Jessica, promise your commitment to Chandler to love and cherish him as his wife?
I do.
And Chandler, do you promise your commitment to Jessica to love and cherish her as her husband?
I do.
And do both of you commit to these 5 beautiful children that you will stand with them in love and honor through all the years ahead? I think we need the rings before we finish the rest of this ceremony. Both have accepted this solemn commitment to each other and your promise to the children. I pronounce you man and wife in faith, hope, love, charity, and service. Do it. Walk the aisle.
nobody.
No, 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 no. We got all we need, all we need is our family, even through the rough times, know that we will be fine. Nobody got us like we do, nobody got us, hey, nobody got us like we do, nobody got us, strong as a rock when the wave wanna hit us, while the current always brings us right back home. All we got is each other, we know that's a fact. 'Cause we only with the good vibes, even late in the nighttime. They hold me down when no one is around. 'Cause I hold them close to me, to my heart. And I would do anything to protect them from harm. They got love for me, I got love for them. So I said, we got all we need, all we need is our family, even through the rough times, know that we will be fine. Nobody got us like we do, nobody got us, hey, nobody got us like we do, nobody got us. Ohana never quits. We all know tomorrow might not come. We'll hit the beach and soak some sun, oh yeah. We can't waste no time. They hold me down when no one is around. 'Cause I hold them close to me, to my heart. And I would do anything to protect them from harm. They got love for me, I got love for them. So I said, we got all we need, all we need is our family, even through the rough times, know that we will be fine. Nobody got us like we do, nobody got us, 80 Carson, nobody got us like we do, nobody got us.
No matter the distance and just an instant or a mention in a sentence, it's more than a feeling to know it's real and nobody got us like us. Nobody gotta like us. We love us, but keep that over there, 'cause we fighters, we lovers, and I would do whatever to protect them from whatever. I say that from the heart, not being clever. Son is